How to log in Zoho mail account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to be learning how we can log into our Zoho mail account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to log into your Zoho mail account, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Now you can also use the app if the app is available, otherwise open up your browser and then just go to zohomail.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Just go to zohomail.com, which is the official URL of Zoho Mail, and then you'll be redirected to this zoho.com/mail. Once you're here, first of all, it will ask you to sign up, as you can see, if you don't already have a Zoho Mail account. So you can tap the sign up option, but assuming you already do have an account, what you want to do is you have to tap the three lines option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. As and when you tap on the three lines option, a pop-up menu is going to come up where you have to select this option known as sign in. And as you tap on the sign in option over here, you can see it will ask me to simply sign into my Zoho Mail account. Now you can also actually sign into your Zoho Mail using your Google, Yahoo, Facebook, LinkedIn, Apple, or whatever other it provides you. And then just make sure to enter the email address of your Zoho Mail account. Once you enter the email address of your Zoho Mail account, tap the next option and then enter your password to log in. If your details are correct, you'll be successfully signed in. Otherwise, what you can do is just tap the forgot password button if you forgot your password, and then you can reset it accordingly as well. And this way you can go ahead and then log into your Zoho Mail account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.